Okay, just got the give back out. And had to wipe my fingers off so I could pick up the phone. But you can see where it's rubbing hard here on the end. Rubbing right in, use my finger, get the angle. Rubbing right in there, but not even touching the bottom here. Rubbing a little there. Not touching it at all down here. See how black it stayed? But then rubbing right there. And then down on the end, this is the far left side. It's not even touching at all. As expected, these gibs are not ground right for this machine. I knew I wasn't going crazy. Bill and Jenny were both right. What really made it stand out was when I put the stirrup bar on it a while ago in the other video. This is what I've been fighting ever since July. But now I know. I got unmatched gibs on my daggone machine. It's literally binding itself on the little end down here. Big time.